Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Pisces, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Pisces. So, these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. Pisces. If you want more clarity in your circumstances, guys, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance, guys. So, let's start with these cards here first. Pisces. So, for your general energies, we have book, key, and birds. So, in your circumstances today, guys, maybe in your work or in your relationship, you are in a major, in a circumstance making an important decision. So it may be something regarding your work, or it may be about your relationship, guys. So you are thinking about the choices you have, or you are thinking about your future, the next move, what needs to be done in this relationship. So something is not clear. You may have your friends or family members or someone who is your trustworthy friend, and you are asking them ideas and suggestions what needs to be done today. So some kind of a discussion is what you are up to, guys. You are asking their advice on certain things today, Pisces. Maybe for some of you guys, you may not have clarity regarding something. So you have some information maybe about this person you love. So it may be a third hand information, a rumor or a gossip, but you want clarity. You don't want to make any important decision based on these rumors. So you are trying to find out more about this person, trying to understand the reality, the real situation. What is the reason for these rumors or gossips coming towards you, or coming for this person, coming about this person? But with these cards, I also see that you are reaching that clarity, guys. Whatever you need. Maybe you were upset hearing these gossips about this person, but today you are getting clarity. So whatever was that secret, you will know what it is today, guys. Maybe this person themselves, they are revealing the secrets, the truth behind the circumstances, and or the truth behind these gossips. So you are coming to a clarity today, and whatever was missing in this connection, you are gaining that. Maybe you trusted this person in the beginning, but with these rumors or gossips, maybe your trust was broken, or it was on shaky ground. But today it is back to where it was, because they are telling you the truth, and they are willing to reveal everything to you, guys, because they love you. So we picked one card specific to your relationship, and it says garden. Again, a positive card here, guys. So whatever your circumstances was, guys, whatever difficulties you would have faced, all that is resolving, guys. So maybe if you were not talking to this person, if you were not in speaking terms, you are getting back to them. Maybe you are surprising them with a visit and taking them out for dinner or a party, or you want to party with them as a means of what to say, reconciliation, saying sorry and getting back to where this connection was before. So for your career situation, guys, we picked one card, and that is clouds. So in your work situation, you may have some doubts or confusion about what needs to be done, but this card here, guys, this is a very positive card. So whatever difficulties you are facing today, let it be in your relationship or in your work, all that is going to resolve, Pisces, and you can be happy for that and give up all your worries and stay positive. So that is the reading for your daily energies today, guys. Pisces, thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, Pisces, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. Pisces, for your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, and open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, the first card, we have a beautiful card, let love transform. So with this card, guys, the energy is that in your circumstances today, in your relationship, maybe if you are already in a connection, this love is going to change you and you are going to move into a deeper, more intimate connection with this person, and you are really blessed, and it is a blessing coming towards you for your relationship, guys. So things are going to go in such a way, it may look like a gift, something which you never expected in your circumstances, guys. And also for those who are single, you will find someone you love, and this person and yourself, you are going to have a very positive, meaningful connection. And maybe you if you are already in a connection or if you are finding someone new, it is all going to happen at the right time, guys. So maybe something may not fulfill your expectation, may not stick to the timeline you expect, but things are happening and there are positive changes in this relationship or some good things coming towards you, but it may not be a moment earlier or a moment later, but at the right time. So at the divine appropriate timing, this love will find you and you are simply going to be so happy and pleased. So you need not worry, guys. You need not have anxiety or any kind of worry thinking about what is happening in this relationship, whether it will be the one you expect, whether it will be the one that pleases you. So you need not worry about all that. So at the divine appropriate timing, this love is finding you, guys. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, guys, that is the reading. So I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, the second card, we have Black tourmaline. So it is a crystal spirits card, guys. So with this card, it just means that in any relationship, guys, if you want to be in a very positive connection, you must have your own boundaries. So the time you need to be free, the time you need to be with yourself to do what you love to do. So this card is for shielding and protection in any relationship. So maybe with this person you love, you may simply yearn to be with them all the time, guys. So this person may be your soulmate or your twin flame, and you may have a great connection with them, but you need some time away from them, maybe just to realize how much you love them and how much you love when you get back to them. So maybe taking time off from your love with your friends, maybe spending some time with your friends or your family, it's just going to rejuvenate this relationship you both have, and you will know that. But it should be something that is happening naturally, guys. You should not force it. You should not try to forcefully stay away from this person. Maybe if you love to be with them, that is what you should do. But if you want to be with yourself, maybe take some time for yourself, maybe do the things you love to do alone, you should go for it. It is simply going to help you. It is simply going to strengthen this connection you have with this person. It is going to make you more relaxed, and that is the thing that is going to make your relationship more nurturing and fulfilling, and it is going to strengthen this connection you both have, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So you should not be afraid to build healthy boundaries in any relationship. So that is the energy with this card. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.